Hi, welcome to Kelo TV, where we guide how to create a website, how to create a game, and also an app. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to create a website, a portfolio website like this one. This is an example of the site I'm going to take you through. It's just a business website where it's going to be all about your services, about us, and your portfolio. That is the work which you have, done, and then your contact page. So easy, so smart this way. Anybody who come to your site will be able to find what your company or your business is all about. That is about us services. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's dive in step by step. So in this video, you're going to see we're going to use ChatGPT, and as well we're going to use GitHub as well, and we're also going to I'm going to also show you something here as well. So from the first step, what I did was I want to create a portfolio website for my business. The business name is Andybest. The business ICT, that is the company, helped me to build it in a modern way and professional design, and I will be using KitGip to host my site. Thanks. And after that, this is what it comes up with. Okay, for some of you who are actually familiar with web design, so simple to go with this concept. Okay, so here you can see it gives me the files, the document file we're going to use. So as you can see, we have index.html and we have about us.html. So this place, even if you don't know much about web design, so this ChatGPT is going to guide you through all the steps. So as you can see, it gives me this all the files name, so which at the same time you can open a folder on your PC, so you can see which I indicate and the best tech as well. So here it's going to give us all the code that we'll be using. So the step we're going to take, if I go down, that is where you see that the code has generated. So here is the first code for the same index.html. So you can copy the code, and inside the folder you can right click our folder which we have opened already. So here you can go to text document.txt. So here you can just open, since we just copied only the code. So here it's opening. So we're going to paste the code which we copied from ChatGPT. You need to paste it here, and you go back and you copy, or you write it yourself, index.html as well. So you copy it, and because I've not saved it, I just okay, here you come and you click on save as. So here it's open, and I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to save it. So simple. Now if you go to the file, you're going to see that we have index.html. So that is the example for all the files that was given to us. ChatGPT will write all the code for you, and that is how you do the same thing. Here you copy, you rename this, and you copy the code. You do the same thing as I did for the first step. Okay, so that is how you have multi files in here. And after you have finished with this, the next step is to go back here where you're going to host your site for free with all your code. So on this site, you can head in here and you create an account. If you have one, you click on new. If you don't have, you need to register first before you get an interface like this. So you create on new, you click on new. It's going to open, and here that is where we're going to upload our site. So with this, you have actually a free site to yourself. Only if you want to make it original site with your own domain, then you need to to also pay. So that is how it works. So here you can see this is the name I use on my account, so that is why it shows something like this. So for the site we're creating here, I'm going to write the same and the going to write the same and the best tech here. Okay, my keyboard is okay. So after you finished, you leave all this the way it is, and then you click create repository. Okay, so after that you will see it will take you here. It's going to open a page like this. So here, this is where you upload those files. Here you can see add new, add file. So you can upload your file from here. So as you can see, it's going, yeah, so here, that this is where you now go back into your folder where you see Andybest tech. Now I can drag and drop my my folder of the site in here. So that is how it works. After done, you click on submit submit changes. Okay, so commit changes. After you done that, you see that your file will be like this. So after done with this, once your file is inside this interface here on the dashboard here, you can click on settings. After you click on settings, you can go to pages. After you go to pages, you can select, okay, you leave it on default, and you click here as well, you put it on main, don't put it on none, main, and here you leave it the same thing. If it's here, if it's doc, make sure you change it to root and save changes. So once you have done, you need to wait, because I have done it. That is why you can see 25 minutes. So I have done it, so that is why you can see the save button is not active. So that is how it works. You wait for some minutes and you refresh your page. After you refreshed, it's going to come up with the URL of your site based on what you have uploaded. So here is you're going to see if your site is working well or not. So as you can see, this is the website. Looks so good, so simple, so clean. So with this, you're good to go. You don't need much. You can see very clean. You can do so many changes, so many things on the page here. You can okay, and another method, there's two methods you can do that on this site. If you don't want to open a folder on your PC or anywhere, you can head up directly here, and this place where I said you should upload the file, you can see where it says create a new file. So here, if you create, it's going to open on the same website where you can automatically put the index.html, and you copy that code and you put it here, and you click on commit changes. Here your file will be adding itself automatically one by one inside this place. After you finish, you do the same process which I show you. You go to settings and you do the same process. Okay, you go to the settings and you go back to pages, and you go, and that is how it is. Here you now get your website URL. Okay, so simple to create this website. So if you have any question, always make sure what I'm guiding you so simple. So some of you, I think I saw one comment, somebody was saying I don't teach real thing. I spend my time you know teaching you guys, and which I know some of you will understand what I'm teaching. Okay, so simple, guiding you, and if you have any question, I'm here to assist as well as I can, as much as I can. So I'm here always for you. Let's grow together, let's build together. I love you guys, and bye for now.